I'm going to show you exactly how to take a long-form video and turn it into high-performing TikTok clips in record time. If this tutorial ends up saving you some serious stress, please hit that subscribe button and leave a like so I know to make more videos like this. Stick around because I'm going to walk you through a simple manual phone method first, and then reveal a much smarter way that scales your workflow instantly. Let's start with the straightforward manual approach, the one most creators reach for because it's free and widely available on your phone. First, make sure you close your TikTok app completely so it isn't running in the background and competing with your upcoming uploads. Head over to your App Store or Play Store and search for CapCut, which is a powerful free editor that millions of creators use daily. Once it's downloaded and open, tap on New Project and select the long-form video file you want to break down into shorter clips. When the project loads, don't worry about any pop-up tips, just focus on getting your footage ready for the vertical format. Before you do anything, ensure the video clip itself is selected in the timeline, which you'll know by looking for a green outline. If you accidentally select the wrong thing, just tap the back arrow in the bottom corner to unselect everything and try again. Now look for the ratio or format tool located in the bottom menu and change it to 9:16. That simple switch flips your entire canvas to vertical, which is the exact orientation that TikTok viewers want to see. Next, use 2 fingers to pinch or expand the video until the most important action in the frame fits the vertical space. Be careful not to zoom in too aggressively, or you might accidentally crop out someone's head or key visual information. If you prefer to keep the full width, you can add a background behind the clip instead of leaving empty black bars. Go back to the main menu and scroll right until you find the canvas option, then tap it. Inside Canvas, you can choose a solid color that matches your brand, a subtle gradient, or even a nice blur effect. Once you're happy with the framing, head to the top right corner and tap Export to save the file to your camera roll. Now you can open TikTok, hit the post button, select your newly exported clip, and upload it just like you normally would. That works perfectly for a single clip, but doing this manually for dozens of videos every single day gets old very quickly. Scrubbing through hours of footage and manually cropping everything is a massive drain on your time and creative energy. If you want to treat content creation like a business, you need a workflow that prioritizes speed and scalability. This is exactly why you should look into a tool like Vizard, which acts less like a gimmick and more like an automated editor. While manual editors are great for specific granular control, they simply don't have the intelligence to find the best moments for you. Vizard changes the game by automatically scanning your long videos and identifying high-impact segments that are ready to go viral. Think of it as a smart assistant that understands your content and knows which parts will actually perform well on social media. Just upload your long source video and let the AI analyze the audio and visuals to pull out natural highlights. It even generates the vertical clips, trims them to snappy lengths, and creates captions for you automatically. Once the AI finishes its work, you can easily preview each clip, adjust the crop if needed, or customize the background. But the real superpower here is the ability to schedule those clips directly through the platform. Set your posting frequency, and the tool will automatically push those clips to your accounts at the absolute optimal times. The content calendar allows you to see everything you have planned in one place, so you don't have to deal with manual exporting loops. While CapCut remains a fantastic choice for quick hands-on edits, it just isn't designed for the kind of batch processing that creators need to grow. Vizard sits in that perfect sweet spot of giving you automated intelligence while still letting you maintain creative control. What makes it special is that it's tuned for virality, looking for energy peaks, big laughs, and key information reveals. This means your generated clips are much more likely to perform well because they're based on actual engagement signals. Even with this automation, you should still do a quick final check on your framing, especially if someone walks out of frame. You can always swap in a blurred background or a custom color to make the whole presentation feel polished and consistent. If you are batch processing, you can drop in 5 long videos and generate dozens of clips that cover your entire month of content. This level of consistency is the secret weapon for growing an audience because it helps you iterate and test what works. So to recap, if you're doing a quick one-off edit, manual apps like CapCut are a totally solid, free option to get the job done. But if you're serious about scaling, avoiding burnout, and posting consistently, an automated solution like Vizard is an absolute game changer. It handles the tedious labor, finds your best moments, and keeps your content calendar full without the daily grind. If you found this breakdown useful, please do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. Let me know in the comments if you want a full deep dive walkthrough of Vizard using live demo clips next time. Thanks for watching, and happy editing to all you creators out there.